When it comes to creating a comfortable and energy-efficient home, the installation of doors plays a crucial role that often goes unnoticed. In Houston's hot and humid climate, having properly installed doors is not just about aesthetics or security. It is also a key factor in reducing energy consumption and keeping your home cool. Whether it's the main entry door or patio doors, the right installation can lead to significant savings on your energy bills and contribute to a more sustainable environment. Why proper door installation matters. Many homeowners in Houston are aware of the sweltering heat and high energy costs associated with cooling a home during the summer months. However, what they may not realize is that improperly installed doors can allow heat to enter your home, leading to higher energy usage and increased utility bills. Gaps, drafts, and leaks around door frames are common culprits that can waste energy and affect your home's internal climate. When doors are installed incorrectly, they fail to provide the insulation your home needs to keep hot air out and cool air in. The result? Your HVAC system has to work overtime to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature, increasing your energy consumption and placing unnecessary strain on your system. Over time, this can shorten the lifespan of your HVAC equipment and add hundreds or even thousands of dollars to your energy bills. The role of energy-efficient doors. Energy-efficient doors are designed to prevent heat transfer, which is especially important in a city like Houston, where summers can be unbearably hot. These doors are made from high-quality materials, such as insulated steel, fiberglass, or wood, and feature tight seals that minimize air leakage. A well-insulated door helps keep the cool air inside during the summer and the warm air inside during the winter, reducing the workload on your HVAC system. An energy-efficient door can also have the added benefit of helping with noise reduction, which is ideal in bustling neighborhoods or when living near highways. Furthermore, energy-efficient doors can help improve the overall comfort of your home, creating a stable, consistent indoor temperature and reducing the likelihood of cold spots or areas that feel too hot. The benefits of proper door installation: improved energy efficiency. Proper installation ensures that your doors seal tightly and function as they are meant to. This minimizes the energy loss that happens when doors are installed incorrectly, ultimately lowering your electricity bills. A good seal prevents warm air from entering your home and cold air from escaping, leading to significant energy savings year-round. Increased comfort. Properly installed doors help to keep drafts at bay, ensuring that your home stays more comfortable. With no unwanted air infiltration, your HVAC system can maintain a more stable temperature, avoiding hot or cold spots. Prolonged HVAC system life. When your home is well insulated and energy efficient, your HVAC system does not have to work as hard to maintain a comfortable temperature. This reduces wear and tear on the system, extending its lifespan and preventing costly repairs or replacements. Enhanced home value. Investing in energy-efficient doors that are installed properly can increase the resale value of your home. Buyers today are increasingly looking for energy-efficient features that will save them money in the long term, and doors that reduce energy consumption are highly desirable. Environmental impact. By reducing your energy usage, you not only save money, but you also reduce your carbon footprint. Efficient door installation ensures that your home requires less energy to stay cool, which helps reduce overall demand on the electrical grid and supports a more sustainable environment. Choosing the right door and installation team to maximize the benefits of energy-efficient doors, it's essential to choose high-quality products and hire experienced professionals for installation. Look for doors that are ENERGY STAR certified, as these products have been tested to meet strict energy efficiency standards. Make sure to also select a reputable door installation company with experience in the Houston area. The humidity and heat can be particularly challenging for door installation, so hiring experts who understand the local climate and building codes is crucial. In conclusion, proper door installation is a fundamental element in achieving energy efficiency in your Houston home. By choosing the right doors and ensuring they are installed correctly, you can enjoy a more comfortable living environment, lower energy bills, and a longer-lasting HVAC system. Investing in proper door installation is an investment in your home's long-term energy savings and environmental sustainability. So, if you haven't already, consider upgrading your doors and ensuring they're installed properly. Your wallet and the planet will thank you.